is actually unhook our ABS sensor here, which the plug is held by those two little clips. Those clips here, you just squeeze them together like this, and then you should be able to push them in. Now I might need two hands for this, so I might not be able to show you that on the camera, but anyway, you get the principle of it. This is what's holding that connection in the back here. This is put like this with the lock towards the bottom, like that, into those holes. Now to release this plug, we have to move this little tab up. So I find that to release it was easier to push it with the screwdriver at the bottom on the little red spot here, and then after this is up, then you can press on this little tab, black tab here, and then pull the plug apart. Now we have to take the cable out of here. So those, you just put a little flat screwdriver in here, and then a little twist, and now it hooks, and you can just pull your wire out. There is another one into the back of this bracket here, same thing. Now we have our cable out.